So we have the old generation Fisker and we have the new generation Fisker. And this shop where I'm at is a OEM approved service center for the old Fisker. But the company has split, sold off from the original owner of the Fisker. As you can see, the labels are the same. So it's the same guy who started this company, then Karma bought it or whatever the deal was. And then it split off, and then Fisker opened up his new Fisker, the Ocean, that has nothing to do with their original. So even though this shop here services for Northern California all these Fiskers that are like this customer was driving by and he seen this Fisker, and at this place, he looked it up, he found out this place was a Fisker Service Center. So he was curious and he came by here with his brand new Fisker, and he wanted to know if they can service it, which would be really nice if this company stays in business and gave Pat's Garage here. This is Pat's Garage, really good garage. If I was a young guy coming into this business, this is a garage I would like to start at. So this, he wants to know if they could service. I hope they stay in business, and I hope this company does a deal with Pat's Garage, because they've worked so many years on these Fiskers to be able to be given the software, the scanners, and the support to work on these Fiskers, because that means I'll be working on these Fiskers and doing 100% of all the air conditioning on these Fiskers, because, you know, that's all I do. And every Fisker that's been in this shop, they come from, say, across the country. They come from Washington, they come from Oregon, they come from Arizona, Texas, Nevada, and they're all shipped over here by customers who can't find local Fisker guys, and they get serviced over here and then either driven back or shipped back or purchased locally. And one of the best air conditioning systems that I've ever worked on, that I personally have never seen a burned out compressor on one of these. The only one that I seen somebody else replace the compressor on was because somebody else serviced it and burned out the compressor. Somebody else replaced the compressor and then dropped it off here to be recharged. But it had nothing to do with the compressor going out. It has everything to do with the technician who works on them previously. Compressors don't die, they get murdered. See you guys later.